I'm Justin with Warne, and today we're going to talk a bit about leveling a reticle. So leveling a reticle is a really deceptively complicated procedure, and it can be complicated due to a number of reasons. There's a lot of different ways to level a reticle. There are some devices using actual bubble levels that mount to either the cap of the scope or a flat surface on the gun like the top of the base or a flat surface on the receiver. Some mount to the barrel in conjunction with another level, again on top of the scope or on a level surface. The issue with using levels on a scope or a receiver is that you're never guaranteed that the surface that you're putting the level on is completely level. What we really want to do is level the reticle itself to how the rifle fits you to gravity or the horizon. That's the most important thing, that every time you address that rifle, the reticle is level. If it's consistent, that's the main takeaway. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. Aside from the bubble levels that mount on the scope or the barrel, you have devices that can sit on top of a base that give you actual physical lines that you can look through the scope and try to line up with those lines. And there are other devices that use index points on the scope and the barrel, and you can either look through and try to line it up, or there's some techniques where you use a flashlight through the other side and project your reticle on a wall and line it with a laser level. All these are pretty complicated. But if there's any issues with the receiver or the barrel or the scope itself, they can give you false readings. So the main takeaway is leveling your reticle in the scope to how you fit the gun and making sure that that reticle is consistently level every time you use it. So those are some of the options for leveling your reticle, and in our next video we're going to talk about bore sighting. Thanks for watching.